Welcome back, Frac Crew. I'm Jared with Frac Daddy Barbecue, and as you can see, we moved and we're in our new test kitchen at our new place. Today, we're going to be making some cinnamon swirl pancakes from PS Seasonings. We're also going to be using my new E Series 22-inch Blackstone. Here we have our 22-inch E Series Blackstone. And tell you what, we've been using this quite a bit. So let me show you how we use it. So you push the button here. And what's great about this, it has dual zone cooking. So we're going to start off with one side at 375. So we're going to cook some bacon. And the other side, we're going to put about 300 so it can be our warming side after our bacon's done. So this E Series is phenomenal for apartment living, to where you can still have your griddle and you can still cook on your Blackstone. This little E Series Blackstone does absolutely amazing work for breakfast, pancakes, bacon, pretty much anything. The only thing that we found that we do not really care for the most, or I don't, are smash burgers. But we'll keep working on that. So let's start off with making this batter. As you can see, we have 1 egg, we have 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Use whichever kind of butter you like. Now the directions say 1 cup of pancake mix. Your next step, it calls for 3/4 cup of milk. We're using whole milk right here. What's great about this pancake mix, all you really have to do is add milk, butter, and your seasoning or your pancake mix, and you're set to have the best pancakes you're going to have on a Saturday morning. So we're going to start off with some trusty bacon. Listen to that sizzle. So just like on a regular Blackstone, how you can have a cool side, I'm moving my bacon over here to my other side. That's about 225. That's going to keep this bacon nice and hot. So guys, as you can tell, we need to put a little bit of butter down on this non-stick surface because you can't have too much butter on pancakes. And make sure you use rubber spatulas on this griddle top. So we have here a large cookie scoop, which comes up to 1/3 cup. That's what they recommend you use. So that's what we're going to do. So it says you can make 9 of these pancakes. I tell you what, y'all, this cinnamon is coming through amazing on this pancakes. I cannot wait to dive in. Alright, y'all, let's give it a flip and see how we're doing. Boom. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice golden brown. It's got a little crust on there. Perfect. What you might think that's chocolate chips, that's actually little bits of cinnamon inside the pancakes that look like chocolate chips. Tell you y'all, this house smells amazing with cinnamon in the air. So for y'all of you that have used my discount code from PS Seasoning in the past, PS Seasoning has changed my discount code for y'all. Now it's Frac Daddy Barbecue, all capitals. So if you want to go over to PS Seasonings, get you some of this awesome pancake mix. This isn't the only kind they have. They have a lemon blueberry, and they have also some killer other stuff that you would enjoy. So go check out PS Seasonings. Discount code will be in the description box with a link to their website. So we're going to be using a new maple syrup that we got from Runamuck Maple Syrup Company, and we are going to be using a cinnamon vanilla, which I think will pair perfect with these pancakes. Let's give this a taste test. Some of that syrup, that butter. That pancake mix is absolutely amazing. That maple syrup, you get the cinnamon, you get the vanilla, you get that nice little crust on these pancakes. Absolutely amazing, y'all. Just want to say thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.